Removing kumquats. Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio.
This bag, what I'm doing here is I'm cutting it in small little slices so I can put this in teas and different things I'm going to be showing you. And that way, some of them have seeds, but most of them I don't. And all I do is I take like a kumquat like this and I cut and make little circles out of them. And if the seed comes out like I did here, and I pull it out, and sometimes I cut them in half and I just double check. Because though I don't mind the seeds, a lot of people do. And if I'm serving this to any of my guests, then we don't want to have any seeds in it. But this is going to go in the freezer. So I'm going to fill this bag full of these little round pieces so that we can use in teas. And the other ones will be used in different other dishes, which I'm also going to be showing you. Okay, so I made these bags and you can see they're all chopped up. They have the seeds in them, but they're going to be perfect for what I'm going to be doing in the future. Okay, so it took 128 ounces of kumquats. And what I did is I just simply placed them into the blender. You can see the remnants here. And out of that, out of all those kumquats, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. And what I did different is here, I cut all these in wedges and in circles so that I can use them in teas or other applications like that.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.